Good afternoon, everyone. Um, on today's video, we are going to repair this. This is this is Motorola M, something like M7, something like that, and the phone is not on it. On today's video, we are going to repair it live and direct. Let's start the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, let's read. Ah, sorry for my camera. One of my customer brought this phone to me and told me that the phone is not booting, it's not on it. That he have even changed the battery, but it's not on it. So let's first of all we check if the current is passing through the thing. So let's read uh, the coupon. The coupon. First of all, we read this battery terminal here. I don't know if you are seeing me. Battery terminal. As you can see here, as you can see, the phone is not breached. Like the current is flowing. The current is flowing. The current is flowing. Current is flowing. Okay, that's it. So let's start the video. First of all, we are going to reboard this phone. We are going to service it. Sometimes if the CPU is weak, the phone may not on. Before I remove all those jackets, we are going to reboard it first. We are going to reboard it, and if it did not work, then we now troubleshoot and remove uh this cover here, this jacket. But first of all, let's reboard the phone and see what's wrong with the phone. Please, my fellow engineer, don't rush. Don't rush. To avoid mistake, don't rush. Okay, we found one fault. Guys, can you see this? Can you see it? This is a damage. We are coming. Let's see. Oh my god, this phone is not actually good. But let's see what we do. See this one? This place is perfectly working, and this place too is damaged. Guys can see it. Let's continue. Let's revoid it first. First of all, let's revoid the phone. Let's service the phone. Ah, don't rush. Gently do it. Gently, 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 gently. We are done. We are done. We are done. My fellow audience, please don't skip this video. Don't skip this video so that you understand exactly what I'm doing. Yes, we go. Hold on, sir.
Una hange hange le hene kosi. Yene pressure boya hange. Ele boya kwa before.
Sometimes it's stream, sometimes it's storage. These two things mean amen. Storage and stream. So depends on the phone or which phone.
Taking it.
Taking over.
Oh my God. Aso na hange hange. Aga pili na ya hange. Ya boya kwa ya kwenye hiyo.
Storage.
Nani ya?
I got flash here. I got flash with one. No problem, sir. So let's record the work. Let's record it. Like flow engineer, make sure you don't use too heat. Make sure the heat is not too much. Just use a minimum of 3 volts. If it is on those big grey, you can use 350 volts. We are done. We are done. Oh, with us, man. No problem. We are done. 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 Please don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. calm down to do this, my fellow engineer. Just rework it properly. Make sure the heat is not much. People on live and direct here. We found one fault here before, and I've already serviced it. Let's see how it's gonna work. Let's just give it a few minutes for it to cook. Oh shit! Down rush. We're about to test it, but let's allow it to cook first. Let's allow it to cook.